The audio system on this vehicle allows you to enjoy content from a variety of sources. Here's how to make it work. First off, the vehicle's power mode must be set to accessory or on. Press the button to turn the audio system on or off. Turn the knob to adjust the volume. Select the Home button to see the audio zone. From there, touch the audio source icon to choose where you want your sound to come from. The audio zone is also where you can touch sound and then fine-tune the bass, treble, balance, and more. The seek and skip icons in the audio zone let you search for stations or songs depending on the source. And the pause icon can put a hold on playback when select devices are being used. Finally, note that there are also audio controls on the left side of the steering wheel, as well as a selector wheel that lets you change audio sources. For more details on operating the audio system, check out your vehicle's owner's manual. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.